Hello to those who are interested in web design. I am Mahdi and I am with you with another training session of HTML course. In this session, I want to talk about an important topic that makes our code readable. We are in the 15th session and I created a folder called 15 and also a file called nested.html. I already told you that HTML elements have a nested property. That is, other HTML elements are placed inside the HTML element, which we call nested element. Guys, by pressing Ctrl and plus, you can increase the font size of VS Code. We wrote the HTML element and we write the head element inside it. As soon as I press enter, a space appears, this space. For example, if we want to write the title elements inside head elements, when I press the enter, you can see one tab away from head element. In the first session, I explained that empty spaces or white spaces are ignored by browsers. We write our code in a way that is more readable both for us and for someone who wants to see the code of our site. In fact, browser ignored all empty spaces and interpreted like this. But we create these spaces to increase the readability of our codes so that the elements are more specific. We press enter, the head element, it creates a space and we write the title tag. Title tag also is a nested element. I write the body tag and I write the p tag. When I write the p tags, a space will be created. A p tag that has a tab space. If I write several p tags, all tags are spaced by one tag. If we want to use the image inside the p tag, there is a space again here. In fact, the image tag is one tab away from P, and P element is one tab away from body, thus making it more readable and organized. We call this writing mode indented. The head and body elements are inside the HTML elements. So the HTML elements is the parent of head and body. Head and body are the children of HTML. The P is the direct child of the body. Inside the P we have the image element, which is the direct child of the P. What is the relationship between these three P? They are siblings, they are sister and brothers, and they have a parent which is body. The topic is very important in CSS rules and I will examine it later. Have a nice day and bye bye.